Hello, I'm Sophie from Winchester Science Centre, and in today's Science Sizzle we are going to be making egg jackets that we're going to drop. So we're going to see if we can try and protect some eggs. Now you can see on my table I've got lots of different things here. I've got some bubble wrap, I've got some old newspaper, I've got some tin cans, a box, and there's probably lots of things at home that you can use all around your house. Be as creative as possible. But for my egg protection, I'm going to use a tin can and some old magazine. I'm going to scrunch it up and place it in. See, I've got my precious egg that I need to protect, so in it goes. Get some more newspaper, scrunch it in. Okay. That looks quite nice and safe. So we'd love to see some of your creative egg jackets as well, and I'm going to go and test this. But let's see where your curiosity takes you.